Here we go. And because the tape looks like a Kazam and was printed on July 27th, 1997.
Coming soon to own on video cassette. From Walt Disney Home Video comes one of the most beloved of all of Walt Disney's classics. It's Walt Disney's Old Yeller. In a very special 40th anniversary limited edition video. This is the original and most acclaimed animal classic ever.
You crazy, wonderful dog.
A story about the undying love between a boy and his dog.
He's my dog. Ain't nobody gonna try to hurt him.
It's the one irresistible movie everyone remembers. Leonard Maltin says it's still one of the best.
Come on, Yeller.
Now it's back, and Old Yeller never looked so good. This limited edition video has been fully restored and THX digitally remastered.
Get him, Yeller.
Don't miss this truly great motion picture, a must-own for any classic Disney library. It's the 40th anniversary limited edition of Walt Disney's Old Yeller. On sale only for a very limited time.
This car is just your ordinary, rather stupid-looking little...
Look out, the love bug is coming your way. Herbie is back.
Hi, Herb.
In his own video collection of 4 of the funniest movies ever made.
Oh, Herbie, behave yourself.
It's Walt Disney's film classics, The Love Bug Collection. He's the little foreign car that could and did in some of the greatest Disney movies ever created, like The Love Bug and Herbie Rides Again. And 2 of the movies, Herbie Goes Bananas and Herbie Goes to Monte Carlo, are available to own for the first time on video. So your family can now collect all 4 Love Bug films.
Nice going, Herbie.
Put yourself in the driver's seat and let the good times roll with Walt Disney's film classics, The Love Bug Collection. Now available to own on video cassette. Secret Service agent Sam Sims has a style all his own.
Sims, what is that? This is a black tie affair. I know, sir. I got a couple. I'm black. I'm wearing a tie.
But now he's facing his most dangerous assignment, protecting himself from the president's son.
Definitely the most powerful kid in the universe.
He's just a kid. How bad can it be?
So, you like snakes?
Guarding America's first kid
Unlock the door.
can be the world's worst job.
How many times has Mr. Sims been left back?
But being the first kid
The school dance is Friday. Do you want to come?
is even tougher.
Do you think you're better than everyone?
I can't allow you off the grounds. What are you doing down here?
I don't have any friends.
You can't keep that kid locked up in his room.
He can't dance.
Married?
He said he can't dance.
I'm 00 Sims. I know how to get us out of here.
We got a perimeter breach.
Are you crazy? I ain't doing nothing, but looks good.
Walt Disney Home Video presents Sinbad, sworn to protect, sworn to serve,
A little pelvic thrust. Try this. See it? Oh, they like that. They like that.
sworn to be wild.
I'm a Secret Service agent. I'm not playing. Look out! There it is. You're a dancing fool, man.
Oh. Sims, you were supposed to catch me.
First kid. beneath the darkest skies. Deep within our planet lives a world beyond your imagination. Discover a world you never knew existed. Great for the entire family. Microcosmos. Now available to own. And now, our feature presentation.
This is a modified surgical version. It's format your TV.